What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here we have the voice generation na naman. This is for tenors, no? A blind audition. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, ha. Follow me on my Facebook page, David Lanyas, and on Instagram, realdavid_29. And I just reacted to Aita Brothers and the Queen's blind audition. So you guys might want to check that out because it was a very wonderful audition. So let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Solid. Yung piano ba, para siyang part of your world, no? Parang there's a similarity sa scale. Okay. Ang bigat. nung nagsabay-sabay sa kumanta, they started singing chorus. Para na ano yung puso ko, ang bigat eh. Grabe. Solid talaga ng mga tenor singers. Solid talaga ng mga tenor singers. Alam niyo guys, marami ngayon sa modern generation, no, or even sa generation ko pa dati, no, etong mga classical singers, opera singers, ng mga Broadway na yung fundamentals nila sa singing is coming from this kind of style, no, mga ganun, no, choral, mga choir. So hindi sila masyadong na-appreciate, no, underappreciated sila, underrated sila ng mga singers. Kasi ang tingin ng mga tao sa kanila is like very conservative na mga singers na talagang classical, ganun talaga, no. But a lot of us today, no, lalo na sa mga bagong henerasyon, mga bagong kabataan na still growing in the music industry, they don't even know how hard it is to sing this kind of style, no. Itong genre na to, itong technique na to, they don't even comprehend how hard it is to be a tenor singer, an opera singer. May ibang challenge din to eh, yung paano mo i-sustain yung ganitong klaseng pagkanta. No, this is a very draining kind of genre. Madidrain ka talaga. It's because of the energy that you exert when you sing in this kind of genre.
Pero pwede po malaman yung pangalan ng grupo niyo.
We are called the Four Tenors.
Four tenor. Pero
It's
five.
spelled F-O-R-T-E.
And
From the fourth siguro sila.
parang ito yung perfect combo ngayon, di ba? It's sobrang galing daw, sobrang linis, everything was, wala yun, you hit every mark. Sobrang sobrang sarap ng pakinggan talaga.
And we had that vision po kasi to really make crossover genre really big in the Philippines. So yun po yung naging vision namin because we wanted to sing pop songs. It's done with classical
I
techniques.
know, kaya
Ah.
yung potential nakikita ko na when we work together, na-imagine ko na yung yung magagawa natin.
Imagine, Harana, 4 tenors version. Di ba?
Ako parang meron
Para
na
bakit pa ako magsasalita eh? Nasabi niya na, harana,
Kaya nga, parang,
classical
Yeah, give
version.
chance to others.
parang ayoko na rin magsalita. Parang may plano na sila eh.
Plano na kayo.
Parang may plano.
Hanggang sa huli. SB19 yun. 4 tenors version. O, di ba? Mapa. Maganda din yun.
Amazing people, spur of the moment.
Hindi, pero alam mo, totoo yung sinabi niyo. Because with classical singing, ang daming potensyal, ang daming kulay na pwedeng lagyan sa isang classical singing or type of singing. I'm excited kasi no matter kung sinong coach man ang pipiliin nyo, I'm super excited because yung kung ano yung pinapakita nyo ngayon, wait until mahawakan kayo ng isang coach because it will just enhance your performances for the next rounds
And add a different flavor.
and have different flavors pa. Exciting.
A
yung
little bit of
mangyayari.
rock.
Correct. Ay, Pwede.
I'm actually excited for you guys kasi whoever you guys choose, grabe, I'm sure na mafa-flourish palalo yung mga yung mga future performances ninyo. Kasi yung classical, ang hirap niyang genre na yan. Kailangan dyan, plakado.
I told you, 'di ba? Mahirap to, man. This is something na hindi lahat kayang gawin. Ang pinaka-common lang gawin is pop. No, pop talaga, no? Pero ang daming mga kabataan na feeling nila yung pop is it's kasi nga yung pop kasi it's mainstream no? So that's what I was talking about earlier.
Malinis, yung boses.
sarap paglaruan.
And it will depend on your song choice.
Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa performance niya talaga is napakaklaro ng mensahe. Kung ano yung lyrics, yun yung naramdaman namin. Alam nyo yung magaling kayo pero hindi nyo talaga sinasabi na
Magaling kayo?
nyo kami,
Ah.
magaling kami. Ginagawa nyo lang kung ano yung mission nyo sa entablado na yan.
Mm.
At naramdaman ko yun. Hanggang ngayon nga kinikilabutan ako. Hanggang sa pag-ikot ko kanina, talagang na-deliver nyo siya ng maayos. Kaya na-excite po akong makatrabaho kayo. Kung nabibigyan man ako ng chance na maka-work po kayo, hindi ko po gagalawin kung sino kayo. Pero gagawan po natin ng paraan para may mapakita po tayong kakaiba. At kung sino pa po ang malalabas ng grupo nyo. Maraming salamat po.
That was a good pitch from Stel.
Napakahusay nyo po. Kaya ngayon po, sino po ang pipiliin yung coach sa aming tatlo?
I think they will go with Chito dahil nga may possibility na si Chito pero may possibility din na si Stel kasi that was a very good pitch, no? Very humble pitch yung galing kay Stel.
Bagay to sa'yo.
We choose this person kasi ang sabi niya po may puso po kaming tatlo.
Oh.
Sino ba nagsabi nun?
And we choose Coach Stel.
Oh! I told you because that was a good pitch. I told you, 'di ba? Very humble lang, no? Very humble approach. Hindi siya parang ako kasi ganito, pwede natin ganito, okay? So sometimes being humble and giving an authentic na talagang very honest na pitch, it will really get the contestants parang ano tawag dito, bias, no? Oh. Ah.
Grabe po! Congratulations po.
And feeling ko, meron din sila ata mga friends na sabi mo, si Stel yung kunin nyo mga anak siguro, mga ganun ba? O kahit mga asawa or jowa, no? Fan ng SB19.
Ang galing niyo po, ang galing niyo. Ay talaga po. Dahil 18 ka.
Congrats, guys!
Oh, 18 pa yung isa. I told you. Hey. That was a wonderful, gusto ko to. It was really, surprising ba? May surprise factor sa last. Pero I already told you, di ba, na possibility nas kay Coach Chito kasi nga yun nga nabanggit yung Arana blah blah blah, but pwede din kay Stel, no. I didn't say kay Billy Crawford because kay Sir Billy umikot ata siya, 'di ba? So hindi naman pwede, it was not very convincing yung pitch niya. So anyway, it was a very surprising and entertaining na audition for the 4 tenors. So that's it, and I hope you guys enjoy that one, and we'll see them on the next rounds. Peace!